Hello everybody. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to convert MS Word to PDF. We need a MS Word file. I'm creating here test dot docs. I'll open this. I'll write something here. This is our MS Word file. If we wanna convert to PDF, we'll go to File, then Save As, then we'll select our destination. Here look, Save As Type. On the drop down, we can see PDF and many other formats. According to need, we'll select. We need PDF, we'll select PDF and test.pdf file. The extension of the file is now test.pdf. We'll click on Save. That is converted to PDF. Test.pdf. Very easy way. If you don't have the extension .pdf, we can do through online. There are many free converter online. We can search free PDF converter. We got free PDF converter.com. Choice shell test.doc. That is converted. We'll download this test2.pdf. Save. We got the PDF. Another way, we'll upload file on the Google Drive. Test.doc. Now, open with Google Docs. We uploaded doc file. We will open the doc file or download now PDF document. PDF file .pdf. Look here. Save. Test.doc.pdf. We got the PDF. Thanks for watching this tutorial.